Inheriting a home with family, here's how to avoid conflicts and make the process way more smooth. Now, I have 3 tips in this video. Number 1, have family meetings. Now, I see a lot of times when families inherit a home and there's multiple beneficiaries, there's the ones that's in charge, like formally in charge, like in the will, right? If there was a will. And then there's like the head of the family member who like people kind of listen to, even if they aren't the ones that's technically in charge. Now, sometimes those people are the same person. However, sometimes they are two opposite persons or opposite people, rather. So, in order to avoid conflict, I would kind of see if you guys can have a family meeting, right? And a lot of time beneficiaries live in different states, different areas live in different states. So if you can do that on Zoom, have those Zoom calls at least once, maybe twice a month. That way you guys can get on the same page. Number 2, get a third party involved. Now, I would recommend getting a probate administration attorney involved and just having them really just weigh the options for you guys, and just having a third party in general can really get you guys on the same page, especially since they won't have any bias, right? I've even served as a third party, even if I didn't sign up to, with there's multiple heirs and me just being the person who give them the facts, which brings into tip number 3. Tip number 3 is do your research and think about the end results and then bring it to the family. This tip is really for the administrator or the executor or executrix that's in charge of the estate, is really to go ahead and do research on how much you guys could potentially get for the sale of the home, the pros and cons of selling the home, whether you even want to sell a home at all. These things can really kind of put things in perspective for all of the beneficiaries, because a lot of times people are making arguments or having disagreements based off of assumptions. You don't want to assume, you want to go ahead and have concrete evidence or a concrete proposed plan. That way, when you guys do inherit a home, you know what to do and you at least know what you're working towards. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are thinking about selling your inherited home in New Jersey, give me a quick call. That's what I specialize in. 973-352-7792. Also, if you want to do the Zoom thing and then meet virtually face to face, you can click the link down in the description and book a call with me. Quick 30-minute session, me, you, all of the heirs, have a discussion, and then maybe come to a resolution and avoid that conflict that I talked about in the video. Thank you guys for watching.